My dear viewers, now discuss acid, base and salt, cbse class 10, MCQ, question answer type and set number 1. Now discuss question number 1. Which acid is present in tomato? Option citric acid, oxalic acid, lactic acid, hydrochloric acid. Option B, oxalic acid is the right answer. Next question. Which acid is a strong acid in the following? Option A, HCl, pH 1, acetic acid CH3COOH, pH 5, lemon juice, pH 2.2, pure milk, pH 6. Right answer, option A, hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, pH 1. Next question number 3. Na2CO3 10H2O is known as baking soda, baking powder, washing soda, bleaching powder. Right answer option C, washing soda. Next question number 4. pH value less than 7 indicates that the solution is acidic, base, neutral, no effect. Option A, that is acidic. Next question. Which salt is neutral salt? Ammonium chloride NH4Cl, ammonium acetate CH3COO NH4, sodium acetate CH3COONA, sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Right answer option B, ammonium acetate, that is CH3COONH4, because the source of this acid, acetic acid and ammonium hydroxide. Acetic acid CH3COOH and ammonium hydroxide CH4OH, both are weak, so the form the acid is also neutral. Okay. Next question number 6. Lactic acid is present in orange, tea, curd, vinegar. Option C, curd. Next question number 7. Farmers neutralize the effect of acidity on soil by adding slag lime, gypsum, caustic soda, baking soda. Answer option A, slag lime. Okay. Next question. Which of the following are present in a dilute aqueous solution of hydrochloric acid? Option A, H3O plus Cl minus, H3O plus OH minus, Cl minus OH plus, and unionized HCl. Option A, H3O plus Cl minus. Next question number 9. CuSO4 5H2O in this compound, the water molecule is called pure water, water of crystallization, soda water, none of these. Option B, water of crystallization. Okay. Next question number 10. Which of the following salt does not contain water of crystallization? Blue vitriol, baking soda, washing soda, gypsum. Answer option B, baking soda is the right answer. Next question number 11. An aqueous solution turn the red litmus solution blue. Excess addition of which of the following solutions would result the change? Option baking powder, lime, ammonium hydroxide solution, hydrochloric acid. Option D, that is hydrochloric acid, is the right answer. Next question number 12. In which pH range does our body work to survive in the atmosphere? Option A 5.5 to 8.5. Option B 7.0 to 7.8. Option C 2.3 to 7.0. Option D 7.5 to 12.5. Right answer option B, that is 7.0 to 7.8. Okay, my dear viewers. My dear viewers, next question, question number 13. What is the chemical formula of POP, that is plaster of Paris? Option A CaSO4 2H2O. Option B CaSO4 3H2O. Option C CaSO4 half H2O. Option D CaCO3 half H2. Option C, that is CaSO4 half H2O, is the right answer. Next question, question number 14. What happens when a solution of an acid is mixed with a solution of a base in a test tube? 1. The temperature of the solution increases. 2. Temperature of the solution decreases. 3. Temperature of the solution remaining the same. 4. Salt formation take place. Option A 1 only. Option B 1 and 3. Option C 2 and 3. Option D 1 and 4. Answer D, that is 1 and 4. That is the answer. 1. The temperature of the solution increases, and 4. Salt formation take place. Next question, question number 15. Which salt is acidic in nature? Option A ammonium chloride NH4Cl. B CH3COONH4 ammonium acetate. Option C NaCl sodium chloride. Option D sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Option A ammonium chloride is the right answer, that is NH4Cl. The source of the acid and base: acid, strong acid hydrochloric acid HCl, and weak base ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. So the formation of acid is acidic, that is source of the acid is strong. Okay. Next question, question number 16. When a base react with a metal, is formed a salt and hydrogen gas is released. By what method can be presence of hydrogen be detected? Option A by water. Option B by litmus paper. Option C by methyl orange. Option D by a burning candle. Right answer option D, by a burning candle. Next question, question number 17. The image shows the pH values of 4 solution of a pH scale. Okay, that is 1 to 14 scale. A pH value 5, B pH value 7, C pH value 9, also D pH value 12. Which solution are alkaline in nature? Option A and B. Option B B and C. Option C C and D. Option D A and D. The right answer option C, that is C and D, because C the pH value 9 and D also 12, that is the greater than value 7. So the alkaline property, that is alkaline. Okay. Next question, question number 18. At which temperature is gypsum heated to form plaster of Paris? Option A 30 degrees centigrade. Option B 70 degrees centigrade. Option C 80 degrees centigrade. Option D 100 degrees centigrade. Answer option D 100 degrees centigrade. Next question, question number 19. Sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, produce. Option A NaCl. Option B CO2. Option C H2O. Option D all of the above. Answer all of the above. Okay. Next question, question number 20. Which acid is present in turmalite? Option A, tartaric acid. Option B, oxalic acid. Option C, lactic acid. Option D, citric acid. Option A, tartaric acid is the right answer. Okay. Next question, question number 21. Which one of the following salt does not contain water of crystallization? Option A, blue vitriol. Option B, baking soda. Option C, washing soda. Option D, gypsum. The right answer, option B, baking soda. Question number 22. What is formed when zinc react with sodium hydroxide? Option A, zinc hydroxide and sodium. Option B, sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Option C, sodium zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. Option D, sodium zincate and water. Option B, sodium zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. That is Zn plus NaOH from Na2ZnO2, zinc, sodium zincate and hydrogen H2. Okay. Next question, question number 23. Brine is an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Option B, aqueous solution of sodium carbonate. Option C, aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Option D, aqueous solution of sodium bicarbonate. The right answer, option C, aqueous solution of sodium chloride. That is, brine is and the aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Okay. Next question, question number 24. Na2CO3 10:2 is washing soda, baking soda, bleaching powder, tartaric acid. Washing soda. Okay. Next question 25. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of a strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base, strong acid, weak base, weak acid, strong base. The right answer, that is D, weak acid, strong base. Okay, because weak acid means carbonic acid H2CO3 and strong base, that is sodium hydroxide NaOH. Okay. Next question. Okay. Next question. Question number 26. Okay. 26 alkalis are acid which are soluble in water. B. Option B, acid which are insoluble in water. Option C, base which are insoluble in water. Option D, base which are soluble in water. Okay. Option B, base which are soluble in water, that is alkalis. Okay. Next question, question number 27. Lime water react with chlorine to give bleaching powder. Option B, baking powder. Option C, baking soda. Option D, washing soda. Right answer, option C, baking soda. Okay. Next question, question number 28. Tooth enamel is made of option A, calcium phosphate. Option B, calcium carbonate. Option C, calcium oxide. Option D, potassium. The right answer, option A, that is calcium phosphate. Next question, question number 29. What is the pH range of our body? Option A, 7.0 to 7.8. Option B, 7.2 to 8.0. Option C, 7.0 to 8.4. Option D, 7.2 to 8.4. The right answer, option A, 7.0 to 7.8. Okay. Next question, question number 30. Rain is called acid rain when its pH fall below 7, pH fall below 6, pH fall below 5.6, pH is above 7. Answer, option C, pH fall below 5.6. Okay. Next question, question number 31. An aqueous solution turn red litmus solution blue. Excess addition of which of the following solution would reverse of change? Okay. Option A, baking powder. Option B, lime. Option C, ammonium hydroxide solution. Option D, hydrochloric acid. Option D, hydrochloric acid is the right answer. That is HCl acid. That is hydrochloric acid. Next question, question number 32. When copper oxide and dilute hydrochloric acid react, colors change to white. Option A. Option B, bluish green. Option C, blue black. Option D, black. Right answer, option B, bluish green. Okay. Because the blue-green color of the solution is due to the formation of cupric chloride. Okay. Cu2Cl. Okay. That is Cu2Cl. Okay. Next question, question number 33. Sodium hydroxide is used. Option A, as an antacid. Option B, is manufacture of soap. Option C, a cleaning agent. Option D, in alkaline battery. Option B is the manufacture of soap. Okay. Next question, question number 34. Sodium hydroxide turn hemolysine solution. Okay. Option A, pink, yellow, colorless, orange. Answer, option A, pink. Okay. Next question, question number 35. Which gas is evolved when acid react with metals? Option A, O2 oxygen. Option B, CO2 carbon dioxide. Option C, H2 hydrogen. Option D, N2 nitrogen. The right answer, question number 35, right answer option C, that is hydrogen is the right answer.
Thank you, my dear students. Thank you, my dear viewers. Okay, thank you.